Most people assume you need to pay a high annual fee to get free hotel nights. That is exactly why so many travelers overpay or miss out on rewards completely. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, there are still strong hotel credit cards with no annual fee that can actually save you money if you use them correctly. In this video, you will learn the top 5 no annual fee hotel credit cards, how they work in real life, and which one fits your travel style best. By the end, you will know how to earn free nights and hotel rewards without paying to hold the card. Let's start with number 1. The Hilton Honors Card with no annual fee. This is one of the easiest entry-level hotel cards. You earn Hilton Honors points on everyday spending, and those points can be used for free hotel nights at Hilton properties worldwide. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Someone like Alex, who travels occasionally and stays in budget or mid-range hotels, can slowly build enough points for a free night without paying any yearly fee. But here's the problem. The earning rates are lower compared to premium Hilton cards, so you need patience to build meaningful rewards. Next is the Marriott Bonvoy Bold Card. This is Marriott's no annual fee option. It allows you to earn points at thousands of hotels globally, including Courtyard, Fairfield, and Residence Inn Douai. Now here's where it gets interesting. A traveler like John staying in different cities for short trips can use points at a wide variety of hotels without worrying about an annual fee. But here's the catch. You do not get free night certificates like premium Marriott cards, so value depends heavily on your spending. Number 3 is the Wyndham Rewards Earner Card. This card is very underrated. Wyndham hotels include brands like Days Inn, Ramada, and La Quinta. Now here's where it gets interesting. Wyndham uses a simple free night system where many properties cost a fixed number of points per night. That makes it easier to understand compared to complex systems. But here's the limitation. The hotel network is not as premium as Hyatt or Marriott, so it is better for budget-focused travelers. Now number 4 is the Choice Privileges Card. This is another no annual fee option focused on affordable stays like Comfort Inn and Quality Inn. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you are someone like Alex doing road trips or staying in smaller towns, this card can give you consistent value with low point requirements. But here's the problem. It is not ideal for luxury hotel stays, so expectations need to match reality. Finally, number 5 is the IHG Rewards Traveler Card. This is one of the most balanced no annual fee hotel cards. It earns points for stays at Holiday Inn Express, and Candlewood Suites. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even without paying an annual fee, you still get access to a large global hotel network and can accumulate points for future free nights. But here's the catch. You do not get the annual free night certificate that premium IHG cards offer, so long-term value is lower if you travel frequently. So which one should you choose? If you want luxury potential, Marriott or Hilton are stronger. If you want budget travel value, Wyndham or Choice can work well. And if you want a balanced global option, IHG is the middle ground. The key takeaway is simple. No annual fee does not mean no value. It means slower rewards, but still real savings if you stay consistent. To summarize, the best no annual fee hotel credit cards in 2026 are about patience, consistency, and choosing the right hotel chain for your travel style. You do not need to pay yearly fees to earn free stays. You just need to use the right card in the right way. If this helped you understand your options better, hit like, drop a comment with your favorite hotel chain, and subscribe for more simple credit card breakdowns that help you save money and travel smarter.